All right, this is going to be Back in Black by AC/DC. So we start out with some muted scratches on the strings. So it's 6 of those scratches, then you wait 2 beats, and then we come in with the first power chord, E power chord, open 2-2, and then D, down up down on the D, and then A, same thing on the A. So we have 3 open on the little E, 3 open on the B, and then we go up and down with a bend on the 2 on the G, and we pull it off to the open. So we got. And then we have 2-4, so that's 2 on the 5th string to 4 on the E string up here. 2-4, 2-5, 2-6, 2-7, and you're gonna slide that 7 down. So 2-4, 2-5, 2-6, 2-7. Back to the chords. So after 2 times through all of that, you got your verse beginning. So here we go with the verse. We're going to do 2 more times through that. 3, 4. Okay, then our next part is going to be, we're going to wait for 1 quick second. So we waited for a quick second, like, so we kind of waited for after the 1. So 1. So that was an A power chord to an E power chord, and then a B power chord, 2-4-4. And we just bring that A string bass note out of that 2 to the open. So we have open 4-4 and back into that chord. So we got. So we do that twice. Then we go G chord, G to D, A power chord to that big 3 up here with a slight bend. So that happens twice too. So we had G, D, A power chord, that G note back to the A power chord, and again. And then we pause again. First riff, twice. And now we're gonna go G, we're gonna go like. So the G is like jang, da 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 dum, da dum, bum bum, and then D 3 times. Back to the original riff. Okay, so it does that a bunch of times with some singing. Then we go back to that chorus and 1. G. Rest. And then for our solo, we're going to have. So we had a big open, then we had a 7 on the A string, and then 5-5, and then 4-4. And then we're gonna have a 7 to 5, so 7 on the 5th string, 5, we're gonna have these next notes on the D string. So 7, 5, 7, and then 8, 7 to 5, double pull off, and then 7, 7. And then, and here you have kind of a chick to the 5 and a chick to the 4. So then we're gonna have some chords here, 7s on the D and the G string. And then we have a single note 9 on the G string. So we got 3 chords. We're gonna slide that 7 into 9 on the G string. So that solo, we got. So we got 9, 8, 9, 9, 8 on the second. And then we're gonna have, so we got 9, 8, and then 11, 10. Double pull off to that 8, 2. 10, 8, 9, 9. So we got. And then 8, 9, 8. Bending that 10 on the second string down to the 10 below. So we had a bomb, be bomb, and then little one, release it. And then we're gonna go. So this one's tricky. You got a 7 and an 8, 9, 9, and then switch to this first finger on the 8. Then we have 12, 12. We're going to bend this 15. We're going to have a, so da da da, bend, 12, 12. And we have a bend on the 14. We got 15 and 15 going down. So once again, we're going to have. So da 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 do dee 12 bend, and then we got da dee do boing. So we got a 14, 14, 12 chord here, back, and 14s and down. Da do dee do do dee do. So we got, and then we got, and that's the end of the solo. So we're going to bend that 15, and then little 12, pull off on that second string, 14 to 12, 12 on the G, 14 on the D. So that's a great Angus riff right there. So we got a little thing we get into. We got a 9 on the G. We're going to mute the B. We're going to hit that little E string too with it. So we got. So we're going back and forth. 9, 7, and 9. Da, 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 da. And then 7 and 6. And then when we finish that riff, we got. We're going to go bend the 14 on the G string and then the 2 12s. And then bend that 15 on the B string. And then we come back to this. And then we're gonna go. So that's the little chord here. We got that 14 on the G and 15 on the B. So let's look at that solo one more time. We got. So that solo is going to end with a into the chords. G. G. D. And then we got this new riff. So we're going to do that 4 times. We got open E, and then we got 5, 4, 2, 4, and then big 3. So we were on the 5th string there. 5, 4, 2, 4 to the big 3, and then 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, similar to that earlier thing. So Okay, so we're gonna do that 4 times. Then we're gonna jump down to the 4 chord, the string just below that, the A. Same riff. Do that twice. Back to the big one. Twice. And then we got this. And then we get into a. So it's similar to the other thing, but we just kind of have single notes. And then we got 8 and 7 down here. So that 9, and then we got. And then we just have some more pentatonic. You know, whatever, just kind of stuff like that. But then we're going to have. So that's 20 on the second string to the 17, and you might go to that 19 on the G at like the second time. And then up to the 22. All right, so that's Back in Black, AC/DC. Hope you dug that. There's going to be some tabs with this. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.